Welcome everyone, back to UFO50. Last time we played a surprisingly good and fun Bubble Bubble tribute in football form. This time we're gonna dust off Avianos 1985. Snake. Whoa. Avians? No, Avian. It's a continue button. Ooh. It's gonna be the first game by Alex that will have a progress and save system. At long last, the mammoths perished and we reclaimed the land that was once ours. It was just as our high priest had prophesied long ago. Oh. But as our society grew, many of us forgot our roots and became more like mammals. And it was not long before we too fell to the folly of war. Hatchling, sure. Prepare for war. Capture 4 castles and hold them for 2 turns to win. Oh. Oh no. King T-Rex. What? Huh? Oh. Huh? Okay, a sword person and an archer person. Done. Okay. Move. I want two of those guys to move. Nope. To up here, I guess. Ooh, found 12 seats. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see. Which answer? Okay, I can. Okay. Also, there's no music again, so fantastic. I can. Okay. I see. You can move. You can pray to one of your ancestors, which will give you those 3 turns to do at once. Either you use this guy, and then I can move my people. Then I can build things for ducks, and then I can do that. Okay. Oh god. Okay. This is what I feared the whole time for a game like this to appear. Okay. I don't know what half of these symbols mean yet, but that's okay. Let's pray to Bronzor. Gain 4 seeds. What do I want to build here? What do you want to build? I have a lot of this, so I guess I'll take this. Worker bath. I can build more. But I don't know what the blue ducks are. Sure. Seed factory. Ooh, that doesn't seem too bad. Done. Miracle. Gain +1 favor with any ancestor. Move a mountain to a new location. Freeze enemy units in place for 2 turns. Ooh. But I don't can. Sure. Let's pray to King T-Rex. Was he good? I think he was good. Yeah, sure. Oh! Oh, strategy games. Okay. Rexon, hey, that's my guy. Okay. Who is my enemy? Oh, those blue guys. Okay. Okay. Gain 3 bones. Okay, but there's +3 bones and then +2 bones divided by houses or something. Then now I can recruit for seeds 1 owl priest. Okay. Sure. I feel like I need to get more moves. Reveal an enemy location for 4 turns. Sure. This one. He has 2 guys. Okay. This is this is interesting. I need more move options. But I need more of these. So gain 16 seats +1 worker. The blue guys are workers. Okay. I'm gonna get some units. Done. Now I'm gonna move all of these guys. What does the priest do? I'll keep him here. To here. Upon 3 workers. Nice. The next turn I can either take on the enemy castle. Oh. Oh. I did not. Okay. I need more move. This guy is Bronze Horse seems very you know, you can buy stuff from him, but I need more movement options. Right now I feel like okay, move the guys to here. Very nice. Oh. Oh wait, I wanna build what's the house? Build house of worship. Sure. I think that was a seed farm, right? Yeah. And a seed farm, I guess. Sure, why not? Now I can recruit a Hawk Knight. Yo. Okay. And now I think I wanna take over. I'll take this one. Rexodon is my guy. Diagonal. Ooh. Plus makes this cheaper and just better. I think I want diagonal movement options. Oh, this is interesting. I can work with this game. Okay, recruits. I think maybe I wanna also start expanding downstairs, down to the castle. So I'll get some more knights. One more. Sure. Why not? And move all on the castle. Okay. You have launched an attack. Oh. Attack. Yes. Attack. Oh. Yes. No! Ah. Unfortunate. Okay, the priests are strong. Oh, he has 3 castles. That's not good. I want... the movement is so rare. Guess I take this guy. Master 2 units, that's good. Move. No. 4 of my duck guys down here. 12 seeds, nice. Trade. I guess I could use some workers. Sure. This is such an... And why is this game so creative? Units were stolen. Oh, that's not good. Yes. Okay, get a bunch of stuff. Got some more dudes. Because why not? Oh, I can't move the guys that are stolen. That's okay. The thing is, I feel like I want to keep some protective options in case somebody attacks me. But that's okay. I'm moving out. Maybe I should get the knights from... Oh, that's not good. Attack. Attack him! Go! Archers! Yes, easy. The attack was repelled. Nice. Do this. Under blessing. Surprise attack. Oh, I think I wanna have a surprise attack like right now. No. Wait. Never mind. Wait. Oh, I took the wizard. What is it? Where's this wizard from? I don't know. But all attack castle. You have launched an attack. Is that a surprise attack now? I would think so. Yes. Yeah. That was easy. Okay, build some fortifications, I guess. Plant farm, a seed factory, yeah. And recruit some. Never mind. I don't think I had seeds, but no. Oh, what? I've got a knight. Attack. Oh, wait. I'll hold. Come on. Knight. Attack. Shield. Hold. This is great. I love this. I'm kind of loving this. I don't know where they come from. I guess they came through the mountains, but yeah, that's my dude. You're on the blessing. Oh, I can do it twice. Surprise attack and diagonal. Got a shit ton more seeds. To convert a worker into a fighter. Oh, that's +3 per of those. Of course. I mean, why not? Excellent, hell yeah. Okay, got a shit ton of seeds. Yes. Okay, now I can recruit people. I guess I want to do that here. Got some of you guys. Got a couple of these guys. I'll keep my workers. I'll move this guy. Sure. And move. Not all. Not all. I need some protective dudes. Yep. Come on, diagonal. Okay. Hell yeah. That was easy. Didn't I have to... Ah, okay, it's 4 castles for 3 rounds. I think. I thought it was 3 castles for 3 rounds, but... Come on, attack! No! I have... Oh, he has 5 priests. That's not good. And my guy isn't here. And all of my biggest troops are far away now. God damn it. That's not good. This is not good. Guess I could surprise attack, but that's... I don't know if could... Can I recruit first? Then I only have 1 movement option. And I really would like to win this round in... Oh, hopefully in the next 3 minutes, so... Surprise attack, sure. But from where, I guess this makes sense. They're not gonna win that. But I have to do something. But it's a surprise attack, yes! Go! Oh, they're so dead. Go archers, attack! Archers, attack! Oh yes, surprise attack! No! Yes, archers! Yes! Yes! The goats. Hell yeah. Huzzah! Build. Can I build any fortifications of some kind? I don't know. What's the yellow thing? Military nest. Ah, I can make... Oh yeah, I can recruit stuff there now. Aha! That's a lot. Okay, what... Oh, I can't build that. Ah, nice, sure. The next turn if you can hold. Okay. Hell yeah. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, this is not good. 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 Okay. What? Yeah, 2 movement options, are you kidding me? Attack. I'm so dead. Oh, I really wanted to win that round. No. We will never see what the victory screen is like. I lost 2 of my castles, are you kidding me? Oh. Oh. Recruits. Why am I so low on things anyway? I feel like archers are just very good, period. Then... Forgot how many people really are there. Which one do I wanna invade anyway? I could just take the castle down the guys. You know what? Never mind. Boom. Hey, hell yeah. Should have done that way earlier. Oh, okay. And I can move again already. Surprise attack. Yep. For mountain? No. Whatever. Come on. Will this be the first time I... Oh, it's on a diagonal. Ah! And I can't... Okay, whatever. All down here. There are people there. Oh, but there's no... Okay. You know what? Fuck it. So be the extra long episode. I'm gonna play this. Oh, well, whatever. No, wait. I'm gonna continue the timer. That's... No! Ah, okay, never mind. Can't afford to build anything. And I can't afford to build anything. Okay. I'm gonna continue this until this round ends. They can attack from... Ah, no. Okay, now I need my... Why am I losing so... Okay, okay, okay. You're not blessing. I think I'll take the lower cost probably. It's... I mean, surprise attack is really good though. But, I mean... Yeah, this, sure. So they can actually make stuff right now. I only have 2 options to make stuff. Oh, this is bad. I feel like I'm in a not good spot right now. I don't know. No, moving out all is stupid. Just get like a bunch of stuff. I feel like the normal knights are kind of useless. Oh, why am I so down low? I could move diagonally, but... Come on! Up! Oh, easy. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm playing this game until it ends. I'm not gonna... This will be the first video of the series that will be over 50 minutes. Okay. I could use the surprise attack now. And I think I want to. Then I can build... but I don't have enough workers to really build things. But that's okay. Surprise attack with these guys. Upwards. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. What does raise mean? Oh. Sure. Attack. Oh yeah, the surprise attack. Yes. Ah, that was not a good surprise attack, but okay. Go. Attack him. Hey! Okay. Now I have 4 castles. And I wanna... Oh, I can recruit at which... Oh no, I can recruit at towers. It's just that the controls are weird. Okay. Can... What's this? A humming bomber. Hello, knight. Oh, these guys are not gonna see this next move coming. Well, they might see it coming, but then they're not gonna be able to do anything about it. Oh. Yo. Kaboom. Oh. Okay, no kaboom. Oh. Why are they getting me so good? Come on. Come on, my archers. My babies. Come on. Oh, okay. Jesus. Okay, now I need... What? Oh, why can he attack twice? Ah, okay. But that's okay. This is just land. I didn't need it anyway. The only problem is one of my castles is boxed in now. Okay, but this is good. I get some stuff. Yes, that's good. I should probably re-recruit some people here. Just so these guys aren't totally... Some stuff here. And I guess... everything that I can muster here. I'm gonna attack with all I have. This. Okay. Easy. Right, I wiped them out just now. Good. Now I have 5 castles. Okay. Can't do shit. Oh. Oh, that's not gonna work. Ooh. Yeah. But I only need 4 castles. Which means that if he attacks again... I won! Huzzah! Whoa! Alright, let's take a quick look. It's probably just bigger. Is it bigger? I think it's bigger. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, no, back to library. That was really cool. Holy shit. In a time and birds rule, an epic war rages between the red talons and the blue beaks. Most played, yep. 20 minutes. Raxodon, my god. Beat hatching, fledging, and adults. Max out blessings from one ancestor, but I tried I tried to. But I think I picked Raxodon every time he was available, but okay. Originally the combat was turn-based, but it was deemed too slow and replaced with automatic fights. Oh yeah, the actual fights. Yeah. Holy shit, that was great. The games are getting quite better now. Not that they were bad before, but I feel like this was like the first row was like a very old-timey arcadey era, except for Mortal. But now we're getting into like actual levels and progression and stuff. I am very excited for what's to come. This is fantastic. This is very good. But episode is way too long already. 90 minutes or something. I should keep a timer. I do have a timer for the series, but I already, yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time. Bye bye.